Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Looking for an easy website builder that comes with built-in business tools? Today we are reviewing the Odoo website builder in 2025, a powerful all-in-one platform. So let's jump into the key features, a quick walkthrough, and if it's worth using these years. So Odoo isn't just a website builder, it's a full business suite. But its website builder alone offers a clean drag and drop editor built in SEO, responsive design, and smooth integrations and e-commerce blogs and marketing tools. Now here's what stands out in 2025. Drag and drop design and with the real-time editing, mobile optimized themes, SEO tools, blogs, and live chat built in, easy product and e-commerce integration, multi-language and translation support. All modules are connected like CRM, sales, inventory, and more. Now to build a site, just you have to do is open your Odoo website. You have to go to the odoo.com and sign into your account, or you can simply click on this try free button, or here you can see start now, try, it's free. Simply click on it, and here you have to add your first name and the website name here, just like this, and simply click on add the phone number, then simply click on start. So from here you can see it has just added. Now you have to wait until it's load, and then you have to pick a theme. So we are going to pick a theme. Now here you can see we have this. Now let's do it. You have to follow this prompt that it and answer the question that it asks, like business website, clothing, or technology. Sorry, not biotechnology, technology from here. So from technical service. Now with the main object to get leads or develop a brand or sell more, just like this. And here you can choose the color palette. Now choose the color palette from here. I'm going to choose a color palette, just like this. Now you have to add some pages and features. Here is this is most interesting thing. You can add the whole page that you need, like about us, services, pricing. We don't need pricing here, privacy policy, success story, live chat, shop, and like forum also from here, and also appointment, and build my website. That's enough. Now simply click on it, and here you can see you have to now choose or pick a theme here. So you can find this three basic theme. You can view more themes from here, just like this is loading here. So I'm going to choose one from here. You can find many choices from here. You can choose one of them from here. So I'm going to choose one of them, like this one here. Now here you can see it is applying the color and design. Now you have to do is drag in blocks like image, text, contact, forms, or shop items. Everything is live editable, no code needed. You can add products, link your blog, and preview instantly. So Odoo Website Builder is free if you only use the website app, but if you need features like CRM and e-commerce, then pricing starts at $25 per user per month. Great value if you plan to grow your business. Odoo is best for startups, online stores, and businesses that want everything in one place. It's not ideal for advanced developers or very custom designs, but for 95% of users, it's flexible, fast, and future ready. So that's your quick 2025 review of Odoo Website Builder. Like, subscribe, and let us know if you want a full tutorial next.